There are so many cool things to see in San Juan. And I didn't see any of it. Well, this isn't exactly true. San Juan was the second port on our Soul Train cruise. The night before, I'd signed up for a walking tour of Old San Juan. However, I realized after the fact that the tour was to start at 9 a.m. and we weren't arriving in port until 10. I had to cancel. At that point, we decided to just leave the ship and figure it out. I thought maybe there would be a tour desk or some kind of tour information at the port. There wasn't. So we walked. Thank you, Google Maps. The walk to Old San Juan wasn't that far from the ship. There are several shops and restaurants along the way. This is a pretty touristy area, so most of the items in the shops seemed a little expensive. I always like to buy jewelry and art when I travel, but in one gallery, a small 8x10 print was nearly $100. We literally ended up just walking for about 3 hours. We didn't buy anything other than water at Walgreens. We didn't eat. We didn't learn anything. I'm embarrassed to say that I even visited San Juan. Even in that short period of time, I fell in love with the city. My boyfriend and I have made plans to return later this fall. If you visit San Juan while on a cruise, learn from my mistake. Either arrange an excursion through the cruise line or do a better job than I did of making private arrangements. Stay tuned for my proper San Juan video later this year.